We're diving into a full review of a smartphone that made a bold statement back in 2014, the Huawei Ascend Mate 7. Design and build. The Ascend Mate 7 features an all-metal unibody construction, giving it a premium look and feel even by today's standards. At just 7.9 mm thick, it's impressively slim for a phone with a massive 6-inch screen. It weighs about 185 grams, and while that's on the heavier side, it feels solid and well balanced in hand. The curved back helps with grip, but one-handed use is definitely a stretch. Display. We get a 6-inch Full HD IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. That gives us about 368 pixels per inch. Colors are vibrant, viewing angles are solid, and the display gets bright enough for outdoor use. Performance. The Mate 7 packs Huawei's in-house high-silicon Kirin 925 processor, an octa-core chip with 4 Cortex-A15 cores and 4 Cortex-A7 cores. It comes with either 2 GB or 3 GB of RAM depending on the variant, and 16 or 32 GB of internal storage expandable via microSD. Camera. The rear houses a 13MP sensor with f/2.0 aperture, and the front packs a 5MP selfie shooter. The main camera captures decent shots in good lighting with natural colors and moderate detail. Battery life. The Huawei Ascend Mate 7 comes with a massive 4100 mAh battery, and that translates to excellent battery life. Overall, the Huawei Ascend Mate 7 was a premium device and nice. Thank you so much.